Hey there, welcome back to Dude's Tech. Are you tired of missing appointments and dealing with messy family schedules? Today, we are bringing you the top 5 best digital calendar options to help keep your household perfectly organized and stress-free. Let's get started. Kicking off our list at number 5 is the Mitoart Digital Calendar. The Mitoart Digital Calendar is designed to simplify family life by combining scheduling, task management, and shopping lists into one intelligent device. Whether you're coordinating work, school, or family activities, this smart calendar helps everyone stay informed and organized. With seamless calendar synchronization, the Mitoart Digital Calendar automatically updates your schedule, ensuring you always have the latest events and appointments at your fingertips. Family members can stay connected from anywhere, making it easy to keep everyone on the same page without constant reminders or messages. Beyond scheduling, the calendar includes a convenient grocery list feature that helps organize weekly and monthly shopping needs. Instead of relying on paper notes or separate apps, you can create and manage a clear, easy-to-read shopping list that the whole family can access at a glance. The Mitoart Digital Calendar also makes household chores more engaging. Parents can assign tasks to children and encourage responsibility through a built-in reward system that uses stars and achievements. By turning everyday chores into rewarding goals, it helps motivate kids while promoting positive habits and teamwork. Designed for busy households, this multifunctional smart calendar serves as a central hub for planning, communication, and organization. Automatic updates ensure your schedule stays current, while grocery lists and core tracking reduce the stress of managing daily routines. Whether you're organizing family events, planning shopping trips, or encouraging children to complete their responsibilities, the Mitoart Digital Calendar offers a practical and user-friendly solution for keeping your home running smoothly. Coming in at number 4, we have the Airzeen Digital Calendar. The Airzeen Digital Calendar is a subscription-free smart calendar and customizable dashboard that helps keep your family organized and connected. This electronic calendar brings together tasks, rewards, meal planning, to-do lists, photos, and weather all in one place with no monthly fees. You can add widgets freely and create multi-page layouts to have everything you need for easier and more efficient family planning. The shared family calendar makes coordination effortless. It displays clear, color-coded schedules with customizable avatars and smart reminders, so every plan from school activities to family time stays organized and on track for everyone. Fun tasks and rewards turn daily chores into an engaging visual system that helps kids stay motivated and build healthy habits. You can assign tasks, track progress, and encourage family collaboration, making home life more organized, balanced, and less stressful. Setup is quick and easy, with seamless syncing to Google, iCloud, Outlook, Cozy, and Yahoo calendars. You can add or update events from your phone or directly on the device, keeping the whole family perfectly in sync. Smart meal planning and to-do list management simplify daily life. Create simple shopping lists, wish lists, and meal plans in one place and share them with the family, reducing cooking stress and making mealtimes easier. The Airzeen Digital Calendar also functions as a photo frame with a bright 1080p HD touchscreen display. When not showing your calendar, it brings your favorite family photos and moments to life from any angle. The sleek frame looks natural on your wall or desktop, adding warmth and personality to your space. Overall, the Airzeen Digital Calendar combines practical organization tools with beautiful design and easy sharing features. Its customizable dashboard, shared scheduling, and engaging family tools help reduce daily chaos and bring more connection and structure to busy households. The subscription-free model and thoughtful features make it a smart, long-term solution for modern family life. At number 3, the Yemsd Digital Calendar. The Yemsd Digital Calendar is an all-in-one family command center designed to simplify everyday life. Featuring a 15.6-inch HD touchscreen, it combines calendar management, meal planning, core tracking and smart home organization into a single, easy-to-use device. Its sleek design makes it a stylish addition to any kitchen, office, or living space. With real-time Wi-Fi synchronization, the calendar connects seamlessly to popular platforms such as Google Calendar, Outlook, and iCloud. Multiple family members can update schedules simultaneously, ensuring everyone stays informed about appointments, school events, activities, and important reminders. Best of all, the Yemsd digital calendar requires no subscription fees, allowing you to enjoy its full functionality without ongoing monthly costs. The built-in digital core chart helps parents encourage responsibility by assigning household tasks to children. As chores are completed, kids can earn reward points, turning everyday responsibilities into a fun and motivating experience. This interactive reward system makes family routines more engaging while promoting positive habits. When not displaying schedules, the device transforms into a vibrant digital photo frame. With 32 GB of built-in storage, expandable memory support, and AI-powered photo enhancement, it showcases your favorite family memories in stunning detail. The automatic slideshow adds warmth to your home while keeping cherished moments on display. Its glare-free 15.6-inch HD touchscreen provides sharp visuals and responsive touch controls for effortless navigation. Flexible mounting options allow it to function as either a wall-mounted digital calendar or a desktop organizer, making it suitable for a variety of spaces and lifestyles. By combining scheduling, meal planning, chore management, and digital photo display into one elegant device, the Yemsd digital calendar offers a practical solution for keeping families organized, connected, and productive every day. In the second spot, we have the Westsee digital calendar. The Westsee digital calendar is a versatile 15.6-inch touchscreen family planner designed to simplify household organization. Combining scheduling, meal planning, chore management, grocery lists, and photo sharing into one smart display, it serves as a central hub that helps families stay connected and organized throughout the day. The digital calendar seamlessly syncs with popular services, including Google Calendar, iCloud, Outlook, and more, allowing schedules to update instantly across multiple devices. Family members can edit events directly on the touchscreen or through the Zeekel app, ensuring everyone has access to the latest appointments, activities, and reminders. Flexible viewing modes, including day, week, month, and custom views, make it easy to manage busy schedules, while built-in sound reminders help ensure birthdays, appointments, and important events are never missed. Westsee offers all of its essential features without requiring a subscription. Families can enjoy calendar management, meal planning, grocery lists, task tracking, rewards, and digital photo display at no additional cost. Optional advanced features, such as AI-powered tools, may be available separately for users with specialized needs. The built-in chore and reward system encourages children to develop positive habits by completing assigned tasks and earning rewards. Parents can also create weekly meal plans and leave comments on chores or meals, making family communication more interactive and organized. When not displaying schedules, the device transforms into a digital picture frame with 32 GB of built-in storage for thousands of photos and videos. Loved ones can easily share memories from anywhere, creating a constantly updated gallery that brings warmth to any room. Complete with both a table stand and wall mount kit, the Westsee digital calendar fits perfectly in kitchens, offices, entryways, or living rooms. Weather updates, automatic sleep mode, and an intuitive touchscreen make it a practical solution for keeping the entire family organized and connected every day. And finally, at number 1, we have the Dragon Touch digital calendar. The Dragon Touch digital calendar is a multifunctional family organizer that combines scheduling, chore management, meal planning, and photo sharing into one elegant 15.6-inch Full HD touchscreen display. Designed to simplify busy family life, it provides an intuitive way to keep everyone informed, connected, and on schedule. Getting started is quick and easy. Simply plug in the device, connect it to Wi-Fi, and link your calendars through the companion e-calendar app. The system automatically syncs multiple personal calendars into a single unified view, allowing every family member to stay updated on appointments, school events, work schedules, and important reminders. Additional devices can also be connected for greater flexibility and convenience. The interactive core chart helps families organize household responsibilities while encouraging children to build positive daily habits. Parents can assign tasks, monitor progress, and create a more engaging routine for everyone. The built-in dinner planner lets you display weekly meal schedules so family members always know what's on the menu, and the common question of what's for dinner becomes a thing of the past. With the e-calendar app, you can manage your family's schedule from virtually anywhere. Free features include calendar synchronization, grocery lists, dinner planning, core tracking, photo display, and more. Optional premium tools, such as Magic Import, are available for users who need additional functionality. When not displaying schedules, the Dragon Touch digital calendar doubles as a stunning digital picture frame. Its vibrant 15.6-inch Full HD touchscreen showcases cherished family photos with exceptional clarity, making it both a practical organizational tool and an attractive piece of home decor. Combining smart scheduling, interactive planning tools, and beautiful photo display, the Dragon Touch digital calendar offers a convenient solution for families looking to stay organized, improve communication, and simplify everyday life. Upgrade your family's daily routine with one of these smart organizers. Check the price link in the description to grab your favorite model today, and please make sure to like and subscribe to Dudes Tech for more awesome content. See you in the next video.